What's going on? It's your boy Coach here. Day 20 is all done. We're on day 21, and I'm just getting this video done because I got a pretty busy day ahead. So, doing it while I got time out on the road. But basically, if you've come into this weekend and you're doing really good with your plan and staying within your calories, that's fantastic. Really, you can kind of start hitting the best milestone, which is getting through the first month. And for me, that's always kind of motivating, and especially if you're getting that progress that you're trying to get. Um, if you're not, and you're maybe sort of stable or you haven't made the changes, make sure you get that meal prep in today, and check out some of my videos with recipes and just things that can help you stay in a calorie deficit. So, but for me, it's going pretty well. Actually went over on calories yesterday, which I didn't expect. We were watching a movie and basically they're these healthy choice fudge bars, and I think 90 calories a piece. Had 7 of those, so that comes out to a little over 600 calories, which some people would, freak out about. For me, all I know is, having done this many times, it's not that big of a deal, and it's something that I can make up today. And that's actually kind of the way we work, is on a week-to-week basis. And so all I know is I pull out, and actually today I'm going 1,000 calories less, just because I haven't been as active this week. So really trying to keep my deficit around 3,000, 3,500 for the week, which is roughly a pound of fat. So today I'm going to have more nutrient-dense options like vegetables. I'm going to be eating higher protein options, which I have in my fridge. Got an activity later to do, a sports activity, so that'll be a couple hours. But yeah, looking forward to finishing this week. Happy with where I'm at so far, and if you are looking, to make some changes and you haven't really done anything yet in terms of meal prep, so this would be a good time. Maybe this coming week is to maybe start incorporating more activity, and we'll talk a little more about that, on like things like NEAT, your non-exercise activity thermogenesis, and small things that can add up in the long run. So as we're learning that food scale in MyFitnessPal, that's the first thing I do, is I get all my ingredients out and I just start scanning everything, making my recipe. Those are just some regular bacon bits, some 2% cheddar cheese. We got some carb choppers in there, egg whites, egg, and some seasonings and sauces. So pretty simple. I'm actually going to go ahead and make a bunch. I'm going to make, say, 2 weeks worth. I'm going to make this week, and I'm also going to freeze some for next week, so it can save me on cooking time. Or if I want extra burritos, say when I'm just hanging out, if there's extra food I want, it's something that's available in the freezer. It's one of my hacks, like I've said in the past. It's something really important. Now I'm going to incorporate vegetables for volume, so there you go, some chopped mushrooms in there. Just going to cook those up, add all my ingredients. Really, this recipe only takes 15 to 20 minutes. You can see I got all my trays out there, so we're going to make a lot of portions here, and each burrito is going to be, from what I remember, I don't know, 350 to 400 calories, and it's going to fill me up. It's going to be like 30 grams of protein. So that's what's most important, is keeping that high protein per meal. It's what's going to keep you full. And cheese is something that a lot of people won't eat, or they'll avoid because it's dairy, and I have a lot of cheese just because I like it. And it's all about using that food scale. Just make sure you keep it within control, log the calories. It's when you just start throwing pieces together and not, say, being accountable for each of those. And you can tell I'm meticulous, especially when it comes to fats, just because they add up so fast. Like those bacon bits, you don't get a lot, but just that little bit of a taste in there is enough for me. If you were to use actual bacon strips, those calories would add up really fast. And you could use turkey bacon. That's a good sub, and I often do that, but sometimes I like the taste of just regular bacon. So making this pretty easy, just throwing it all in a tray, gonna roll them all up, box them up, throw them together, and I'm all done. So super easy way to get my week started. Make sure that I'm on the right track, and I prioritize meal prep every Sunday. So as you can see, it comes together, and that's pretty much it. Simple and straightforward. So just prioritize it, based on your flavors and taste, and make it work in your world. That's pretty much it for this episode. Till the next one, take care. Peace.